Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of numismatics with a special focus on the elusive 1060D Lincoln penny. But first, let's rewind a bit and uncover the history behind this extraordinary coin. The year was 1060, and the Denver Mint was buzzing with activity as it produced millions of Lincoln pennies. However, a small number of these coins were minted with a rare anomaly that would later make them incredibly valuable to collectors. Fast forward to today, and these 1060D Lincoln pennies are among the most sought-after treasures in the world of coin collecting. But what exactly makes them so special? The key factor that sets the 1060D Lincoln penny apart is its rarity. Due to a minting error, only a limited number of these coins were produced, making them highly desirable among collectors. Now, you might be wondering, how can I tell if I have one of these valuable coins in my possession? Keep an eye out for clear markings of the Denver Mint, as well as any unusual imperfections or doubling on the coin's surface. These are telltale signs that you might have struck gold, or rather, copper. But remember, not all 1060D Lincoln pennies are created equal. Factors such as condition and rarity can significantly impact their value in the market. For lucky individuals who do stumble upon one of these rare coins, the rewards can be substantial. Some 1060D Lincoln pennies have been known to fetch thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars at auction. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just curious about the treasures hiding in your pocket change, keep an eye out for the legendary 1060D Lincoln penny. Who knows, you might just uncover a fortune right under your nose. This coin value in market $2 million. Thanks for joining us on this numismatic adventure. Until next time, happy hunting!